Physics na rin. Awa. Next, hindi na ko ulit ma-explain for kayo. Hindi ako. Okay? The following are some of the causes of the sub-involution of the uterus, which is not from the word not, hindi taka o walay labot, right? What's the sub-involution? Involution is the return of your uterus to its normal state, pre-pregnancy state. Sub-involution means wala may return yung uterus to its pre-pregnancy state. Wala siya ibalik sa normal niya nga itsura. Diba? Sa letter A, retained placental fragments, B, uterine infection, C, laceration, D, both A and B. The answer on A is letter C. C. Kasi na yung na po ang laceration, gawas siya nakit sa uterus, di ba? And, within placental fragments, di ba? Alam mo, kunahin mga mapiling ng placenta, sunod sa inyong uterus, di ba? Dili man na siya mabalik, kaya normal nga itsura, di man na siya ma-shrink, di man na ma-expand ang tubo, costly si retained placental fragments. Amin mo? Sunod sa uterine infection, from the word uterine, infection. Diba? Dili siya apil kay mag-inflame inyong uterus. Apil na sa causes, magsal involution ka. Dili mo balik yung uterus sa iyang normal na state. Kanang A and B, both are causative agent, but which is not, ang not is a laceration. That's the answer, letter C. Agad siya mo ako. Nadali ko kay gamit na nasin ko. Nadali ko? Yes. Nadali ko? Tara na, number 37. Which of the following is a risk factor for uterine inversion? Tulog ako sa uterine inversion. That is upside down na hapwa inyong uterus. Because prolapse is mapira pababa, inversion is inside out. Okay? Gets? Na inside out. Imagine, yung uterus ng anak, may inside out siya, ma-upgrade. That is your inversion. Yes? Kailan ang placenta previa, di ba? Low-lying placenta, abnormal implantation, meaning o siya nabot, crash out. Wrong na, kasi cancer ang wrong na ka. C, abruption placenta, B. Siya ba ang agihan? Hindi ka? No. Wrong ang letter B, crash out. Inside cancer, wrong na ka, wrong na ka. Placenta circumambulate, that is a type of placenta, type of abnormal placenta, diba? Alam, placenta na siya, may inanak, pero kamay ko yung sunod. That is circumambulate. Placenta accreta is the deep implantation of your placenta sa uterus, meaning kapit kaayo yung placenta. So the moment you bira ni midwife, na-cord traction siya, ibira, nahapwa, na-appeal, nag-drag appeal si placenta and uterus, na imo, uterine inversion, or inside out ang uterus. So the answer is placenta accreta. Kailan mo? Si accreta, deeply ang attachment ni placenta accreta. To the point na pag ni midwife, na-appeal si uterus. Yes. Next. Next is number, correct? Stella gave birth 24 hours ago. Stated that her vaginal discharge is red and moderate in amount after ruling out any complications. He told her that this is normal after delivery and is called bra. From the word 24 hours ago, red, no bra. Okay? Next, 29. Is it perfect pa? Oh, sana all. 29. After-phase, pilingon na natin eh. After-phase experience during postpartum period is common in the following except din sa saylaan mo nila, hindi kayo makapilong after-phase or pag-roll mo sa yung conception series. A. Multipara. Diba? The more na mag-anak ka, the more na mag-anipis ang imuang uterus, mas makapiltaw pain, magkasakit. Right? Augmentation of labor, oxytocin of your labor, makapiltaw of pain. Naman na sa PDF, sana lang yung PDF. Augmentation is, inyo na lang i-start ang labor ba kayo? Ilihit kayo yung pag-labor. So, kamo na mismo ang magpa-start sa yung labor. That is augmentation. Breastfeeding mothers, kaya masakit ilang uterus because if the baby stops, oxytocin secretes. If oxytocin makawas, mag-contract yung uterus. Gets mo ba? Mauna, magsakit yung uterus. Kaya tutoy si baby, magawas ang oxytocin, mag-contract yung uterus. Answer is primipara. Kaya mas baba ang uterus sa primipara. Mas virgin pa yung uterus. Gets mo to? Diba ipalag na ko to? It's wrong. Baon, wait lang ha. Ang augmentation of oxytocin. Ang most niyang explanation sa akin nagmit na not as bad as sa mga mas tipis na o mga uterus na. Diba? Uy, ano yung augmentation? Wala kayo sure, hindi niya ako Pero kabalo ko, ang answer is primipara dyan. Okay? The following are physiologic changes occurring during the first trimester. Exact. Diba yun po, normal tayo ang euphoria, increase euphoria, para sa infection, mag-issue inyong alert, right? Si fatigue, normal pa magka-fatigue si mother. Right? Diba, ang CNS, food for the brain is ang muna magka-hypoglycemic, mas naluya ang mother. Kaya niskan paglalaway. Because of the paglalaway, increase of estrogen. Pedal edema. Sabi kasi nila, if you have pedal edema, plus the proteinuria, and increase urine, you are at least of eclampsia. Pre-eclampsia. That's why naanay edema sa eclampsia. Gets nyo? Yes. Ang answer, Ana, is exact. Ang normal. Physiologic is normal. Physiologic changes but exact. Pedal edema. Mabilis ang answer. 31. Okay, taas kayo ang sentence, right? But ang walang keyword is the grave life issue. What is that condition? What is that condition? The grave life issue. Vesicular. Hoy, ha? Isa, unsa na siya ng condition? Unsa na nga abnormal? It's the H-mole, grape-like tissue, vesicular-like discharges, that is your H-mole. What's the management na ito kaniya? It's the TNC, suction and curettage. TNC for H-mole. A, kanito politics ay walang incompetent cervix. Bakit yung observation? Akabalo kang abnormal ng ibati sa iyong mother. Laparoscopy, wala ko kabalo. Sana nga, visualization. Okay, luminan niyo ha. The IUD is an appropriate appropriate family planning method for the following women except? Can you answer? Monogamous? Wrong. It's a right answer. C. C. Such. A. Multipara. Multipara kapalumod. Naghanap siya anak. Dili pa ba ninyo i-recommend ng IUD? Diba si Obi na mismo ma'am, dili ka magpa-IUD ma'am? Diba? So, mas preferable sa'ya ang IUD. Diba? He desires long-acting but reversible method. Hindi naman 3 years ang IUD. It's 10 years. Reversible ba? Makuha ba? Yes! So, dili na siya. Exact akong ipangita. Monogamous.
Yes!
Wala pa. Monogamous meaning, mono means one. Monogamous means only one kaya ang partner. Recommended ba sa'ya ang IUD? Pwede. Hey, ano man? Pwede ba magpa-IUD ang mga burik, mga corrects, mga mostly not at risk of STI? You cannot use IUD as a contraceptive if you are positive with STI. If na-may active kila ka herpes, syphilis, gonorrhea, hindi ka pwede magpa-IUD. Ay magpa-inflame na sa mo sa iyong uterus. So safe si monogamous. May isa naman na yung partner. Mono is one, monogamous is only having one partner. Okay? The answer should be with active STI. Hindi mo pwede magpa. Hey, pwede naman magpa-condom, pero ayaw na IUD. And then, in the case of uncontrolled pre-eclampsia, which is the most life-threatening complication, what do you mean by pre? Pre is wala pa, panulong pa. Pre, wala pa, right? Eclampsia, in other words, is convulsion. Meaning, pre, panulong mag-convulsion. Pre-eclampsia. So, meaning, kung sa'yo pili ninyo mag-amon, samtang nag-pre-eclampsia siya, that's why we have that mag. So, if na-pre-eclampsia si mother, mag-magnesium sulfate ka, right? Kung sa'yo ang most life